social group in here. And I want you to come in here, and your job is to make sure the bridge can't see. I want to see how many of us can get in here. Stack up in a column. Come on. Come on, otherwise we're going to go back to the top. That's true. So, I mean, and so this was a good idea Brian had. It may die of loneliness, but, you know, what the hell, you know? But I mean, this is the kind of... All right, so that was our group pump situation for the day. So why don't we got a minute or two left, why don't we put somebody else in the cab, just so somebody else gets a chance to kind of see what we're talking about back here. So, I mean, the point is, you know, I won't make you suffering. You can see. Sort of panoramic. Right. Right. And again, when you think about it, any object like that will have a cone that goes out. So part of that,
but those ones get
some peripheral stuff. And again, we get...
And also in yards. Sort of let it see what you say. Okay.
There's no magic to it, but that way I get a sense of it. So what do you see? Do you see these drums okay? Yeah. So see, you're sitting a little lower. So for her, she's got a very different experience because she's sitting a little bit lower in the seat, right? So she's going to have a very different sort of view. I'll leave you with this. You know, the things that are obstructing us up here are to mitigate it by grabbing the mirror.
Right.
I may look at it and go, I can't be bothered with that. It's cold out there, whatever. You know, so it's very operator dependent, right?
Right. Yeah.
As to what we're going to do about it.
Yeah, you've got to put your head on the swivel, and you got to think. There's men or ladies that you're working with, your fellow worker. Put your hand on the mirror to make it stop vibrating. I like to have one guy that's going to back me up. He's in control of what's behind the truck. And that way, you know, I'm not getting mixed signals.